to our brothers abroad and even the thought leaders in Nigeria who refuse to leave. First of all, you were swept there, right? Because if you saw Hyundai's video about the Illuminate people that are sponsoring Zikoko Mag's blog about 25 ways, or 30 ways to Japa, you will know that you were probably influenced to leave to USA and co. So to our brothers abroad and sisters, the brightest minds, avoid the lures and rewards of secret societies. Don't think it's just one small club like that will help you, that is one small interconnected club of people that will help you to succeed. Ufu Alhaji Kana Chile, it's just how all the things happening in Nigeria have the same, all the different names of insurgents happening in Nigeria have the same source, which is still the same people, the same evil people. Before Alhaji Kana Chile, you might think it's just one small club that you are joining that will help you grow, but you just turned into a CIA asset. They will discourage you from setting up, from installing your family's Obindiche while their own Ekwensu is active. Yeah, and our deities are working in their museums. They will encourage you to not set up your family's Obindiche so that they will continue to have unfettered access to ransack the homeland. You now will now be telling all your family members to Japa, all of us become foreigners. It's like Christians who are members of an occult society but don't know, but all the doctrine that you swallowed are occultic doctrine. I mean, not a problem, but the only problem with it is that this is a foreign occult. If your occult was Agbo, if you were being privy to the things of Agbo, the things of your ancestors, the things passed down in your lineage, then that wouldn't be a problem. But another man's system you are going to have to choose your loyalty one day. Remember that you left home to feed home. You didn't Japa to go and now lose yourself and become a house nigger. You are not the first person who entered Anutu Nzuzo to promote himself, but ends up getting used because you don't even know the origin of the doctrines where they teach you. If your intention was to Japa and go and become a house nigger, enjoy yourself, the hens gonna come home to roost soon. I know no way I can get Obunechen